A refreshing challenge. Ditch the fizz for a week. Imagine a simple change that can significantly impact your health. What if you replaced all sodas with water for just 1 week? This seemingly small adjustment can lead to surprising and positive transformations in your body and mind. While it might sound daunting for avid soda drinkers, the benefits far outweigh the temporary challenges. We will explore the remarkable changes that unfold when you replace sugary drinks with pure, refreshing water for 7 days. We'll delve into the science behind these transformations, the potential hurdles you might encounter, and how this simple shift can pave the way for lasting health improvements. The motivation a sugary habit calls for a change. The decision to ditch soda often stems from a desire for better health. Sugary drinks are notorious for their empty calories and detrimental effects on the body. Excessive soda consumption is linked to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and tooth decay. Breaking free from this sugary habit becomes a powerful motivator to embrace a healthier lifestyle. The initial days of replacing soda with water can be challenging. The body might experience withdrawal symptoms as it adjusts to the absence of sugar and caffeine. Headaches, fatigue, and cravings are common during this phase, highlighting the addictive nature of these beverages. Day 1 to 3. Detox and discover. As the body detoxes from sugar and caffeine, noticeable changes begin to emerge. One of the most immediate effects is increased hydration. Water is essential for countless bodily functions, including regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, and flushing out waste products. Increased water consumption leads to improved digestion, reduced bloating, and healthier bowel movements. Many individuals report feeling lighter and more energized as their bodies eliminate toxins more efficiently. The skin may also appear clearer and more radiant due to improved hydration. Long-term benefits. Scientific evidence supports the switch. The benefits of replacing soda with water extend far beyond the initial week. This simple change can have profound effects on your overall health and well-being. Numerous studies have demonstrated the long-term positive impacts of this simple switch. Research consistently shows that making water your primary beverage can lead to significant health improvements. For instance, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that drinking water instead of sugary beverages was associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This is a crucial finding as diabetes is a growing concern worldwide. Another study published in the journal Obesity found that individuals who increased their water intake while dieting lost more weight than those who did not. This highlights the importance of water in weight loss and maintenance. This suggests that water can play a significant role in weight management. By simply choosing water over sugary drinks, you can make a substantial difference in your weight loss journey. Furthermore, replacing sugary drinks with water can lower the risk of heart disease by reducing calorie intake and improving cholesterol levels. This simple switch can contribute to better heart health and overall longevity. In conclusion, the scientific evidence is clear. Making the switch from soda to water is a powerful step towards a healthier lifestyle. Not only does it help in managing weight and reducing the risk of diabetes, but it also promotes heart health and overall well-being. So make the switch today and experience the long-term benefits for yourself. Overcoming challenges. Navigating withdrawal and cravings. While the benefits of replacing soda with water are undeniable, it's essential to acknowledge the potential challenges that come with this transition. Withdrawal symptoms such as headaches, fatigue, irritability, and mood swings and cravings can be particularly intense during the first few days. These cravings can make it difficult to stay committed to your goal. These symptoms are temporary but can be discouraging for those attempting to break free from their soda habit. It's important to remember that this phase will pass. To combat cravings, it's helpful to have alternative beverages on hand, such as unsweetened tea, sparkling water, or flavored water. Infused water with fruits and herbs can add a refreshing twist, making it easier to stay away from soda. Staying hydrated throughout the day can also minimize withdrawal symptoms. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and keeps your body functioning optimally. If cravings become overwhelming, it's okay to have a small amount of soda occasionally, but the key is to gradually reduce consumption over time. This gradual reduction can make the transition smoother and more sustainable. Beyond the week, maintaining the momentum for lasting change. After successfully completing the week-long challenge, the journey towards a healthier lifestyle doesn't end there. It's just the beginning of a long-term commitment to better health and well-being. The key is to maintain the momentum and make water the primary beverage of choice. This simple change can have a profound impact on your overall health. This requires conscious effort and a shift in mindset. Reflect on your progress and set new goals to keep yourself motivated. Start by making small, sustainable changes. These small steps can lead to significant improvements over time. Replace one soda a day with water and gradually increase the number over time. This gradual approach makes the transition easier and more manageable. Keep a reusable water bottle with you at all times and make it a habit to refill it throughout the day. This not only helps you stay hydrated, but also reduces plastic waste. Opt for water when dining out instead of sugary drinks. This simple choice can significantly reduce your daily sugar intake. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can solidify the habit of choosing water over soda. Over time, these small changes will become second nature, leading to a healthier, more vibrant life. Conclusion: embrace the power of water. Replacing all sodas with water for 1 week is a simple yet profound change that can have a ripple effect on your overall well-being. From increased hydration and improved digestion to reduced disease risk and weight management, the benefits are undeniable. While challenges may arise, the rewards far outweigh the temporary discomforts. By understanding the science behind these transformations and implementing strategies to overcome potential obstacles, you can successfully break free from sugary drinks and embrace the power of water. This simple switch can pave the way for a healthier, more vibrant you.